He thought he would get away with it, but it was all caught on camera.
Where at? Somebody here?
I don't know.
Hey, it's me.
What's going on?
Can we step outside, please?
What's going on?
Thank you. It's me.
What's your name, partner?
I'm the
So what's going on?
We're gonna step over here with a call.
Did you call?
She called. She called because I told her, I said, it's enough of you acting like you're my best friend.
Okay. You got any weapons
No,
on
I
you?
ain't got nothing. I'm actually looking for a lighter. I ain't got shit to search right now.
Okay.
Anyway, I said, it's enough acting like you're my best friend. You can't get
Who's this
divorced.
woman?
Crystal.
Okay.
And I said, you can't get divorced. You're spending money on fucking, $500 on bedding, $500 on fucking weight loss.
Temple.
Stopped and you started talking to somebody, so I stopped.
No, you're
too.
all right.
Anyway, I told her, I said, you're not gonna play games with me anymore. It's either us or it's time to move on.
Okay.
And she got mad and said, I'm gonna call the police. I said, call them, I ain't done nothing wrong.
Right. So she's just mad at you?
Mad because I don't want to play games.
Okay. Y'all weren't fighting or nothing, like physical? You weren't hitting her or nothing?
No, hell no.
Okay.
Which one of y'all's want to call?
I am.
What's going on?
He just had a little bit to drink and he's just being the way he's being.
Well, what do you mean by that?
Being mean to him. Just being mean to me.
How so?
Just acting like a fool. I don't want him to go to jail. I'm just...
Well, who is it to you?
He's my boyfriend.
Okay.
He's going through a divorce and he's got 4 kids. He's having a hard time, but I mean, I just can't take it. I mean, I'll be all right, but...
Be all right from what?
I just had mouth surgery. I just had implants put in, so he touched my mouth and I said not to do that.
Touch your mouth as in he's... Did he grab you and squeeze your mouth?
You're not gonna get, we're driving. She said she had, you gonna bear with me?
Oh, yeah. You got ID with you or
Hey,
anything?
I told you one time. I'm gonna tell you one more time. You gonna bear with me?
Shut your mouth.
No, I ain't done nothing.
Put your hands behind your back. You ain't gonna talk to me like that.
Well, don't talk to me.
Face that wall.
I am. You got a camera on. You ain't doing nothing
Face that wall.
wrong. You got a camera on. You ain't doing nothing wrong.
Don't move.
Levi, it's got to take me to jail.
Get your f***ing hands behind your back, bro.
I ain't doing nothing wrong. I ain't doing nothing wrong.
Put that hand and stop moving.
I'm not moving.
There you go, 3 County. I'm 1015.
I don't want him to go to jail. I just want him to calm down.
Doing nothing wrong.
You ain't gonna talk to me like that.
I ain't doing nothing wrong.
You're not gonna walk off.
He just had too much to drink, guys. I know.
And he doesn't need to be out in public if he has too
No,
much.
I haven't done nothing wrong.
Go over there.
I haven't done nothing wrong.
Go over there, and we'll be with you in a minute.
I'm gonna have right to sit here.
Come here.
He just had too much to drink.
Come
Don't
here.
be mean to me. No,
I'm not being mean to you.
I called you to help me, not to be
Yes.
a nuisance.
Now listen,
Please
listen.
don't be mean.
Listen.
Calm down.
No, you need to calm down.
I'm a nurse. Listen, I'm a nurse.
You need to calm down.
I'm calm.
He's needing to calm down as well. He's not cooperating.
No, I understand, sir. You're right.
So here's the deal.
You're right.
Here's the deal.
Corporal Burgess, you're right.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
So here's the deal.
He just
If you're
had too
telling
much to
me
drink.
if he is being mean to you, I don't need you near him right now.
No, I know. I'm not going to be near him. But I don't
You
want
were
to take
sitting
him to
right
jail.
there near
I don't
him.
want you to take him to jail. Please
Listen,
don't.
listen.
I just need to take him home. He'll be all right.
I was talking to the district attorney on the phone when you did
Well,
that.
that's good.
That's the district attorney right there.
What's your
Hey,
name?
Levi, this guy has been a little bit rough with me. Here. Oh, you hung up the phone?
What's your name?
My name's Andrew. I ain't done nothing.
You're drunk in public?
No, I'm not.
You haven't been drinking.
No, sir.
You lying?
No, I'm not. You want to give me a breathalyzer right now?
Sure.
Give it.
What's your number?
I ain't
Date of
talking
birth.
to you no more. You gonna talk shit to me? You gonna push me around and throw me the around? Give me a breathalyzer.
All right.
I'm a
You
nurse.
call us to do
I
what?
know.
Then you
Because
call us to do
I was
what?
a little nervous because
Because of the way he was acting? Because of the way he was acting?
I told you right now, I am cool and you're cool too. But
Now,
don't
you
treat me
been
like shit. No,
You ain't
sir.
listening.
No, I ain't gonna listen to motherfucker throw me around.
I told
Who the
you,
f-
I'm
you
moving.
think you are throwing me around?
We're done.
No, you're
Get
not.
up.
You're not gonna throw me around.
Go!
Hey, why's this guy being mean to me? I ain't done nothing.
Hey, guys.
I ain't done nothing to this guy. Why is this guy doing this? Hey, why are you doing this to me? Why are you doing this to me? I haven't done it to you. I don't know why this guy's doing this. I mean, be honest with yourself. Why are you doing this?
Get inside.
Why is he doing this?
Get in.
I go.
Why is this guy being mean to me? I'm asking you. I hope you have.
Get your foot in.
Well, can you put the foot back on? Thank you. Sir, why is this you being mean to me?
Well, here's the deal. For one, he's intoxicated. He doesn't need to be out in public. You call us because you want us to help you. And then you tell us to leave him alone. You tell it, then what would you want us to do? And what were we supposed to do? He's intoxicated. You tell me he's being mean to you. When people are drunk, they can get mean, obviously. Well, I think we're already past that.
You got an ego and you want to hurt me. I didn't do nothing to you, officer. What if you made a mistake? Why are these cuffs so tight I can't even move?
We'll fix them here in a minute.
Did I do something to you?
Excuses for him because he wants to take his physical frustration out on you.
I understand.
Don't stand in for that.
He's
He's
a
a-
good guy when he's not drinking. If you only knew.
How hard did he squeeze?
He did. He just said, I want you to get a divorce because I want us to be together. Just like say you don't want to go to jail.
Would you hang out here with everything?
Well, his behavior, his actions,
Listen,
he's gonna go to
if you
jail.
were drinking, and I'm sure you probably have drank before. You're not perfect, okay?
Yeah.
Have you lost a wife and 4 kids?
That doesn't excuse
I know,
his
I know.
behavior.
But officer,
You know what I mean?
But Lou, have you been through a divorce, losing 4
Look,
kids?
everybody
and a
goes
sickness?
through their own trauma and has their own
Is
problems.
that his money?
Yeah.
Okay. Have you ever drank before? Have
I
you
don't
been through
go-
a divorce? Have you lost your kids? in
Look,
business?
this ain't about me, it's
No, I'm
about
just
him.
asking you.
I know you're
Just
trying to
asking this
relate to me, but I'm gonna explain. His behavior is unexcusable.
But you can't even answer me because you're not even trying to.
I'm
relate
not
to the level.
answering you because this
Because
isn't
you're in
about
a
me.
badge and you're behind a shield and you act like you're not a human being.
No, that's not it.
Yes, it is.
It's about
It is.
accountability.
But have you ever been through a divorce?
Listen, it's consequent action.
So you can't relate.
Okay.
I called you here. You think
I know you did. I'll be right with you, okay?
So let's go back about 20 minutes.
Okay, so yeah, this is their car first pulling up.
Okay.
You ain't had nothing, right?
I told you as well as you and me.
All right.
No.
Blow this thing up.
No.
Prove me wrong.
We ain't touching nothing until you be cool.
Okay.
My feet are off.
We're gonna fix it. Are you missing a shoe?
everything.
I'll get it. Blowing this for me, prove me wrong.
I'll prove you wrong. You gonna let me go, right? No, we're gonna talk.
We are gonna
We're
talk,
not
but I'm
preview-
saying right now on the public end talks.
And in public again talks, you gonna let me go, right?
If you got zeros, I ain't charging you.
Thank you.
Blow it up. Go. Keep going. Blow. No, that's not hard enough. You gotta like fill this balloon up.
I just did.
There's a balloon right here. Fill it. Blow. Blow. See if you can blow it up. You sucking. No, you ain't
I
blowing.
ain't sucking nothing.
You ain't blow nothing.
Yes, I'm trying, but everything
Blow
in
out.
me.
Blow out with your mouth. 1, 2, 3. Exhale.
Why? Because it comes back clean every time?
You hadn't done it yet. It says blow.
I'm trying.
Blow. Blow. I'll take a half sample. I'll see right there. Insufficient.
I'm
I'll
asking-
look you in your soul and I'll tell you right now, if those are zeros, you're not getting public end
And I
talks.
appreciate that.
Okay?
But I'm looking at you in your soul and asking you, take these goddamn cuffs off me.
I can't fix them yet. I will. I'm about to.
What
Deep
the
breath.
fuck?
Blow this up. Blow it. Go. You're sucking.
I ain't sucking nothing.
You suck back.
No,
Deep
I'm
breath.
not.
You blow out.
I'm actually blowing, bro.
Bro, blow.
I don't know why you treat me like this. I'm really blowing.
Blow. Out. Blow out. Go. Blow. Go, 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 go. You're not blowing hard enough.
Yes, I am.
You want the
Yes.
public end talks?
No, I want the truth.
That's what I want. That's why we're here. We're here about the truth, Andrew.
Yes,
you,
sir.
you want to blow this?
Yes, sir.
All right, can you feel it? Deep breath. Blow. Hard. Go. Go, 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 go. I don't hear air coming out.
I've been blowing. Let me go again.
Hey, like this. You want it?
I think it's enough. I think you've tried enough.
I tried.
And
I tried.
to. No,
I tried,
but
Andrew.
never one time did I fail. Not one time. But no, not one
You're
time.
manipulating it.
No, I'm not
I mean, this
manipulating
ain't a
shit.
DWI. Look, we ain't taking you to jail for a DWI.
But
this,
brother,
this ain't for court.
but I ain't
This
done
is for
nothing.
you. This is for you. This is your test.
That's why I try to blow it
And if
for
you can't do it, then
Every time I pass it, you don't let me go.
okay. How about this? Look at my finger over here. See that? Can't see it, but I do.
No, I can't.
That's called
No,
nystagmus.
you get another officer out here that ain't got a prejudice against me.
Damn.
Goddamn
You
team,
think
I'm
I'm
gonna pass
prejudiced?
it.
You think I
Yes.
showed up here and said,
Yes.
I don't like Andrew?
Well,
You know what I don't like? I don't like attitude. Like I said, I did that eye test. You intoxicated.
fucking eye test me again. Everybody knows when you got a guy in handcuffs, the eye test may or may not come true.
Is that real?
Ask your probation officer.
You're on probation.
Am I?
You're on active supervision. You think your
What
PO
am
be
I?
happy about this?
My probation, he's gonna tell me straight up.
He gonna be pissed.
No, he ain't.
He gonna be pissed.
He knows I ain't done shit.
Are you supposed to be drinking on probation?
I'm not drinking. If you're gonna fuck me, fuck me. But goddamn, don't bullshit me. How many goddamn times you want me to take that motherfucker?
Well, I mean,
Fold me up, but don't be mean to me.
Put your foot in there.
For no reason. I'm looking in your face and saying.
Put your foot in there.
Just because you feel that.
Okay.
So here's what's going on. Okay. At this point, he is going to be placed under arrest for assault on family or household member third.
I'm going to go to court and tell him that I don't want to press charges. Let me tell you something real
Here's the
quick.
deal.
Can I say one thing? I know.
You know the Arkansas law, okay?
But can I tell you one thing real quick, please?
What's that?
Just listen to me for a minute. I'm a nurse. I'm a recovering drug addict. I got 3 years to get off methadone, okay? I was homeless, carless, nothing. If not for him, I wouldn't be here. I promise you.
That doesn't excuse
I
what
know.
he did.
No, I know. I'm just telling you, he doesn't.
I'm not sitting here saying that he's a bad guy.
I know.
I'm saying in his intoxicated state, he made a bad decision.
But I'm just telling you. Now you're making me wish I hadn't called you guys.
Okay,
I
here's the
called you
deal.
for your help.
Yes.
Not to make our lives worse. I know. But
But here's the
taking him
deal.
to jail is not going to
You know,
anything.
but you know that in Arkansas,
I do.
the law is the state presses the charges
I do know that.
when there's a domestic abuse situation. Abuse doesn't necessarily have to be something that's happened over years. It can be one instance.
But I'm just asking you from the bottom of my heart, please.
It's a done deal.
I called you to ask you for help.
It's a done deal. Right now, what needs to happen is your mom is going to take you home.
That's fine.
You are going
That's
to rest and recover.
That's fine.
Now, another thing that's going to happen is he is going to be given what's called a temporary no contact order. That is per the court. That
We
is
live
per the court.
together.
What's going to have to happen is he's
Now I'm
going to
going
have
to
to
be homeless and live in my car.
No,
so I hope that you're happy,
he'll have to
Officer
relocate.
Burgess. No.
Well, you talk
That's where he
with the state of
lives.
Arkansas.
I'll have to be in my car.
You talk with the state of Arkansas on that one.
I'm just telling you, I'll have to be in my car.
I don't think you're going to be in your car.
And you don't even know, 2 nights ago, yeah, I live in his camper. And listen, 2 nights ago, we were at an old people's house because his wife was dying. And he was there helping. Because you have no idea what he tries to do to help people.
Ma'am, I see people helping people all the time.
No, they don't have to take him to jail. They're doing it because they know nothing else.
No.
They don't know nothing else. They ruin people's lives for doing this stuff. Did you see on the camera?
I saw him on top of you.
He was. He's already on probation. So you know
Well, you'd have
that.
to. He's the one who ran his license. What's he on probation for?
For something that he's not even guilty of, I don't believe.
It's all right.
Oh, tell me that he did not hurt that car. Really?
Yeah, I can do it. Hey,
He had to put it back.
what hit in your head?
You tell me one time. What in the f is going on here?
At this point, you are being charged with assault on family or household
I
member
haven't
third.
assaulted nobody.
Okay, wait, let's put your seatbelt on.
Crystal, they're saying I assaulted you. I didn't assault you. Crystal, I didn't assault you. No, you're not f***ing taking me. You motherfucker. I didn't f***ing assault nobody. I didn't assault nobody. I didn't assault nobody. Fuck. I didn't assault you. I didn't assault you. What the fucking fuck? What the fucking fuck? Never would I
Mileage
ever.
63205.
Fucking 3205, motherfucker. You better goddamn record me. I didn't goddamn touch nobody. I'm gonna sue your ass. You take me to. I didn't do shit.
Even though he was best friends with the prosecutor charged him with third-degree assault on a family member or household member, public intoxication, disorderly conduct, resisting arrest, and criminal mischief. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.